Hey, what up everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy VJ here, back with another video. What's the video about? People have been telling me to do this, so why not? Here it is. Alright, before we get into this video, there's going to be someone else who's going to be helping me with this challenge. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. It's just me. No one's going to help me finish that 60 all by myself. The chicken nugget challenge. Okay. This is not it. There's at least 60 of them. So let's see if I can finish it. My favorite ketchup. I eat ketchup with everything, alright? So don't judge. Alright, so let's just get into it. 60 chicken nuggets challenge. Right now. Pour some of that ketchup in there. Ooh la la la. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this, but I should. Alright, ready? Someone just messaged me. Someone who just told me to do it. Yo, this is not bad. I feel like I can finish it. We'll see, we'll see. Done. No, I'm just joking. Not even halfway through, man. Yo, what's up? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yo, you're on the video, bro. Yo, this guy said he's the one who told me to do the video, by the way. Yo, what? What? You want some what? Sorry man, my viewers are not that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So how you doing with the challenge right now, bro?
Not even halfway through yet, but I think I can make it.
Oh, okay. Alright.
It's not bad.
You ain't eating no fries, man.
Yeah, we will see about that.
Man, I'm gonna eat 80 minutes, man. God.
I don't care how much you eat, you just gotta pass 60, bro.
You don't get the best 60, nigga. I'm fat.
We'll see. We'll see.
We'll see. Gotcha.
No. Well, it was your idea, by the way.
What?
It was your idea, by the way.
Yeah, but I'm hungry now, man. Shit.
Oh,
Give me food. Send me some of the nuggets you won't finish.
sure say
No.
Why not?
No, you eating any sauce, man?
I'm eating with ketchup, buddy. Yo, I don't know what that is, but don't diss ketchup, buddy. Ketchup is pretty sick.
You know what buffalo sauce is?
Nope.
It's hot sauce, basically.
Oh, sure you said that.
Come on, man.
But now, yo, I know I'm Indian, but yo, hot, when it comes to hot, no, I can't take it.
Damn.
Trust me on that. What the fuck?
What?
Alright, I'll call you after I'm done.
Alright, man.
Alright, peace.
Peace.
Can't give up, buddy. Oh shit. Kinda getting full though, can't lie. I'm gonna say sorry to all these chicks. Sorry, man. I had to do it. Never buy too much food when you're hungry, eh? All you need is this much. You know I'm getting full when I first ate everything one by one. Now I'm eating half. Yo, what kind of video is this? This is too boring. All I'm doing is eat. Ooh la la. Yep, I'm getting full. Damn, man. It's not cool. Okay. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 20 more to go. No, you know what? I'm finishing this. Yo. I think I need water. Look. Water is just gonna make me full though. I don't know how to do this. This is getting hectic, but I'm not gonna give up. I'll finish it, man. Voice में क्या नाटक चला? Why am I doing this challenge at this time? It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. How the hell am I gonna sleep? Oh God. Rip me. This is the hardest challenge I have ever done. Oh my god. Without the water's help, I'm done. Oh. I feel it right now. Oh god, I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. This is so nasty. Chicken nugget with the water. Oh god. I don't think I'll ever eat chicken nugget anymore. Oh god. I'm so sorry, this video is so boring. Oh my god. I don't even know why I'm doing this. Next time, I know not to do long videos. Never ever again. Unless it's super fun. This is just boring. I admit it. I want something that's fine. Okay. Done. I'm joking. I got this. Yo, AJ, mark my words. You're losing that $15 and you're gonna eat 60 chicken nuggets. Let's see how you're gonna get through, man. This is hard. Hey, what the hell? Yo, I don't know what's going on. I swear there was 8. Now there's 8. You might place with you sometimes, eh? Or I just suck at math, counting. Yo, I almost vomited, man. Oh, jeez. It's just right over here. I felt it. I almost vomited. I didn't vomit. I mean, it's still in there. Still in there. So 16 chicken nuggets still going in there. Not giving up. I mean, Fury Speed would have finished in like 5 minutes. What am I doing? Oh god. Yo. 4 more. Oh shit. Why did I know this, bro? Oh my. Three more. Ah, fuck. This is not easy at all. This is not easy at all. Yo. Yo, the amok went to my nose, bro. It's that full. Just 2 more. I feel like I'm pushing my limits. But I gotta finish it. Last one. Yo, so last one, man. Calm down. Calm down. Oh shit. Oh. Shit, okay. Done. Oh. I can't talk. Trust me. Trust me on this. Wait, what? There's 10 more. I'm joking. This is it. Count it if you want. Yo. I'm gonna send you my address on WhatsApp. Come to my funeral tomorrow, right?
Yeah, you gonna die.
Yo, I can feel that, bro. I am done, man.
Wow.
Yo.
Fucking fat ass.
Yo. Just because of that, smash that like button. Like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want. I think I deserve it. So, I'll see you on the next video if I'm alive. I'm joking, I'm gonna be alive, just joking around. Peace.